She maxed her credit cards and don't got a job. She pays for gas with all the change in her car. It's not the end of the road. Yeah, we've all been there before. And it goes He's walking home 'cause he can't pay for the bus. He needs $1, but he ain't got enough. It's not the end of the world. Yeah, we've all been there before. And it goes of the month. Your bank account has got insufficient funds. We can't afford to give up. We gotta make our own luck. And it goes Work every weekend just to get out of town. Everyone says that you'll just turn back around. And what's ironic to me, the ones that don't ever leave think that they know. We can all get some. Yeah, we can all get paid. So what you say, everybody?